Give God the glory. Yan. I choose to give God the glory. When God gave you the victory, never forget to give Him the praise. David didn't take credit for the victory. He pointed people to God's power. Amen? Anong sabi niya? Sa 1 Samuel 17:46, that all the earth may know that there is a God in Israel. Amen. Malalaman ng pamilya mo na ang Diyos natin ay buhay. Malalaman ng mga kaklase mo na ang Diyos natin ay buhay. Kilala niyo po si Tim Tebow. Si Tim Tebow po ay NFL player. Nung siya po ay nanalo, alam niyo po, nanalo siya dun sa fight, nilagay niya dun sa kanyang ilalim ng mata niya. Dito po sa ilalim ng mata niya, yung John 3:16. John 3:16. And that day, 90 million people Googled the verse. He used his success to point people to Jesus. Amen? Kaya pagpatapos mo magtagumpay, all the glory, all the praises, and all the honor belongs to Jesus. Out of your success, let Jesus be known. Amen? Every victory we experience should glorify God, not ourselves. Kaya nga si David, ang pakilala niya sa sarili niya, I am a servant. So when God blesses you, make sure to give Him the credit. When you succeed, point people to Jesus. David made sure that everyone knew this victory was God's, not him.